Yeah, payday's the best day of the week. Money's the key to everything. I'd love to be rich. Now that'd be the life.
Does money buy happiness? I don't think so. At least, not for me. If it did, I would be wrapping up the best year of my life. And that's definitely not the case. I think there's a lot more to it than that.
You've heard the saying, more money, more problems, right? Well, whoever says that is probably rich. I'll take the cash, please.
What do you think? We've all heard the sayings. Money can't buy happiness, or money doesn't fix everything, but are those really true? Psychologists have found that yes, financial stability and life satisfaction are indeed linked. Seems obvious, right? When we aren't worried about making ends meet, we're happier. But as it turns out, there's a point of diminishing returns when it comes to life satisfaction. Meaning, there's a point where more money isn't necessarily better. It's just more. The truth is, our finances are just one piece of the larger puzzle that makes our lives feel whole. Our personal well-being has a lot more parts to it than that, like our physical, emotional, social, and spiritual health. It's not just the money that matters most. In this course, I'll show you a few ways to improve your financial well-being, focusing on what research has found at the core of everything, our money mindset. It turns out, financial well-being is made up of much more than the numbers sitting in our bank account. Often, it's how we feel about the number that's impacting our health and happiness most. And thankfully, there are things we can do to shape the thoughts and feelings we have around finances. Remember, you don't have to take a big vacation to take a break. Instead, prioritize rest and self-care in ways that are accessible for you and your financial reality, including your needs, expenses, and goals.